Hey guys, what's up? This is Kanan GS from Technological, a channel where technology meets questions. This video is a tutorial on how to use your old Android device as a standalone PC remote for your desktop PC. First, you can go to the Google homepage and type in Chrome Remote Desktop and click on the first link as shown in this video. Upon opening that tab, click on Add to Chrome and Add App and wait for it to load. As shown in this video, go to the Chrome Apps section and select the Chrome Remote Desktop extension, upon which you will have it. Go to My Computers and click on Get Started. Enable remote connections should be clicked and accept and install after reading the terms of service. Wait for it to download and open a new page, and it will be prompted with a question whether or not you should allow it to make changes to your desktop, and you could click yes. As a second layer of protection other than your email ID, you can choose this PIN, which is at least 6 digits, as a second protection. That's it for the computer part. Now let's proceed to the Android device. Here go to Play Store and type in the same Chrome Remote Desktop query. Select Install. Open the new app that you just installed. And if your mobile has already been connected to your email ID, same as the one provided for the extension in your computer, it will automatically load and show you the list of computers connected to it. Here my laptop has already been connected and I'm selecting it. As you can see, now I have a view of my desktop through my Android device. Here on the bottom right hand corner, you can see my actual desktop, and the one enlarged in the background is my mobile view. To input any keywords, you can click on the keyboard icon on the top in the mobile companion app. Although the audio might not be available through the Android companion app, pretty much everything else is easily accessible. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is Karan GS from Technological, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you.